Me too. But how? Well, then help with me with this knob! Oh no, the knob came off! No, the deactivation knob! No! Come on, pull out! I need help! Hurry, put everything in here! Hurry everyone, let's get out of here! I'm out of here! I'm getting out of here! Drive, Sonic, drive! I'm out of here! I'm not leaving my truck! 5 seconds till explosion. 3, 2, 1. I'm okay. But my truck is not. Let's get out of here. My truck and me will get out of here. No! My Eggman Ray! It's gone. Unless... it's still here! It's still functionable! Oh, you survived. Oh, I'm glad. Oh, man, that was some explosion. Yeah, but it's all over. Sonic, didn't it occur to you that Eggman is missing? Eggman? Oh no! Why am I worried about him? Sonic? He did help us. Well, okay, I'll check. Oh, my machine. My machine. Hey, Eggman. You're okay. Okay. I can... Sonic, look at my machine. Pretty wrecked. Next time, build a machine that's more stable. Build a machine that's more stable. Okay. What? What's going on? Increase power! Ah! What's going on? I have you now! No! Ah! What? No! Not again! Oh, my ears! Oh! The eardrums are being hurt again! Good thing I have earplugs. Turn the speaker off! Where's the plug? Oh! You broke my machine! I'll get you for that. With this backup! What are you gonna do with that? Music to death me? That's the idea! Ha 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 ha! No! No! Not the Tetris song! Yes! From the old video games! Blocks will start coming down! Ah! You will not do this to me, Eggman! Oh, yes, I will. Step onto the platform and dodge those blocks. Eggman, they're coming after you. Oh, I better get out of here. You won't get me. Ha-ha. You can't get me, Sonic. Ow! I give up. You win. So now what's going to happen? Shock! That silly jar tried to get me. I'm out of here. This video is over.